Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to manage a virtual classroom in teamwork.com. First things first, let's set up our classroom. After logging into your teamwork.com account, go to your dashboard and click on Create Project. Name this project after your class. This is our virtual classroom, the place where all the magic happens. It's important to keep everything organized under one project or class to maintain order and structure. Now that we've done that, let's add our students. Go to People on the top menu, click on Add People, and start entering your students' email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure all students have access to the classroom and can interact with the materials you provide. It's like handing out textbooks in a physical classroom. Next up, let's share some materials. Go to Files and upload your lesson plans, assignments, or any other resources your students might need. This helps us because it allows students to access all the resources they need in one place, anytime they want. Think of it as your classroom's library. Next, let's arrange our classes or meetings. Click on the Calendar tab and schedule your classes by choosing the date and time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Once you schedule a class, an automatic reminder is sent to all participants, ensuring nobody misses a class. Finally, it's time to monitor and facilitate student engagement. Under Tasks, you can assign homework, give deadlines, and track progress. You can also use messages to encourage discussions, answer queries, and give feedback. Let me explain why this matters. It not only helps maintain a steady flow of communication, but also allows you to gauge student involvement and understanding. And that's it. You have just set up and managed a virtual classroom on teamwork.com. This quick and easy process allows you to create a virtual space that is organized, efficient, and conducive to your students' learning. It's like a physical classroom, only more flexible and accessible. Thank you for following along today. Keep exploring teamwork.com and happy teaching.